you can see, Shane's been
because the turbo's gonna sit under the
quite busy. He's over here looking at stuff.
Right there.
Gonna get off wide angle actually, because it sees the gimbal.
Out the turbo, like it's like 2 feet at the turbo, so the turbo's kind of gonna sit. And that's what. Well, the intake can sit. The intake will probably sit
Up there.
up there, kind of.
And the
The turbo
turbo.
sits down in here.
Yeah, it can come to the smaller board.
Ah, it is lug screws like you said it was. Lug bolts. Sounds good to me. Don't know what that's out of. Well, they've done quite a lot in here.
That'll fit in there.
Like, see what I was saying about the front rear mounts? Like, it's gonna be really easy to mount because they're just that style.
Oh yeah, that's really good. What is?
I remember.
The front's the same way.
That's easy to mess with. The side's easy to mess with.
I don't know where the slave cylinder disappeared to for that.
I'd rather buy a new one anyway.
Fair.
They're cheap. So we're about all the materials for the cantilever, roll cage, all the heims, everything is like $450.
So we're up to 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's all the suspension stuff.
All the suspension and the cage.
Yeah. It's ridiculous.
So that's cheap. It's the thick, heavy shit, but
But I'm going off of prices of not bulk buying, which I'm getting a bulk order
Huh.
soon, so it could be cheaper than that.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
I don't know what my buddy's gonna charge for the plasma cutting or anything
Yeah.
like that.
Oh, that's nice when that thing was as cheap as it was.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
we're
this,
not gonna have. We're really. I don't think honestly. I don't think we're gonna get anywhere close to $2,000.
most of that budget will go into wheels.
Yeah, those are $65 a piece. I was looking at.
13 by 10s? Really? Wow. Trailer tires are cheap.
They're Bassett racing wheels.
Huh.
We could splurge and spend $10 more a tire and get the polished ones.
I like brushed aluminum though. So, this engine, it was under a tarp for months. They said it ran when they pulled it out.
Okay.
That's as much as I know.
Perfect.
I had an intercooler. I almost got in an accident and that engine rolled forward. Crushed it.
Oh,
It was a nice one too. And the Synapse blow-off valve I sold to a buddy.
That's fine. I have another one. I have a big tire.
I'm glad we didn't use it though, because that thing had 3 different ports on it. You had to hook it up to vacuum and boost side to get it to work. Yeah, it's a nightmare. They're like ultra tunable, but also ultra pain in the ass.
You also gotta be careful because I don't want to put it backwards and then blow the motor early.
Yeah. Well, we don't have to use that one, but it's there.
Found a stage 3 6-foot clutch for $95. Keeping it in the budget. Although I kind of think we should do like
Who knows?
ridiculous stage because although the car's light, so it probably wouldn't need a crazy clutch in it.
So, for some reason, he felt the need to fit one of these up to it. 16 by 9 off a Civic.
Out the fender. Hey, you made a point.
Huh.
So the Yugoslavian people are farmers and they got tractors, so we should put a tractor flap on.
gotta be a tractor flap on it.
You act like we weren't going to do that as it was.
3-inch out the fender, 90. Last time I noticed, I was like, damn, that's actually a decent sized stuff. That's like what you have on your
Yes.
I think this is the 63 back housing though, and yours is the 82, isn't it? So it's gonna spool kind of.
I never saw the car this was in, to be fair, so.
There's probably some riced out Altima, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Although they spent good money on like.
But why was it at a record yard in the first place?
Maybe the car was wrecked.
Yeah. Car could have been right.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
Worst case scenario, K24 isn't that hard to find front wheel drive. If we have to buy another one.
Yeah.
Or if we have to take it apart and do bearings.
And they're relatively affordable because nobody really wants them. I tried to sell this thing for 6 months before I gave up.
If it really comes down to it, I'm gonna take them pistons out and gap them rings so it smokes a little bit, and just turn that motherfucker up. Well, guess what? You know,
So,
raise
it was-
hell and do it for Dale, baby.
I mean, all the compression, all the fuel. So worst that could happen, blow it up.
So we're just gonna that was just a quick little update. We're gonna call it for a while. We're just standing around bullshitting and brainstorming at this point. So we will pick this back up the next time I am back in Florida, because after this I go to Tennessee and then Washington State. So we'll see what happens there. Alright guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. I just figured I'd make this short little update video because I'm shut down for Memorial Day and had nothing else to do, and I figured it'd been a little while. We went over a little bit, but hopefully the next time I'm back there will be substantial changes in the status of good old Babayaga here. In the meantime, just keep checking in on all the other socials and I'll update as much as I can.
Bye, have a great time.